help out there. We care, the community cares.
And we'll show you how Portland police officers are helping veterans struggling with mental health. Your News at 5 starts right now.
This is Chris 6 News at 5.
Good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Michelle Lorenzo.
And I'm Pat Simon. The Portland Police Department is now teaming up with the San Patricio County Veterans Service Office to help more men and women who have served our country. They can assist with VA benefits for veterans, their spouse, and families. They can also connect people with resources for housing and mental health crisis services.
Now, it is believed this partnership further emphasizes Portland PD's efforts to help our country's heroes. And I spoke with the police chief today, who showed me how officers respond to mental health crises and why helping veterans experiencing this is a top priority.
To be quite honest with you, we're seeing a lot more mental health crisis situations occur.
Some of those situations Portland police officers have responded to have involved people experiencing homelessness and veterans. The police department has been making extra efforts to handle cases related to mental health. They have specially trained officers like Stephen Macias, who knows how to de-escalate a situation and help people in crisis.
Rather than giving them lawful orders to place your hands behind their back or, kind of make things a little amped up when it doesn't have to be. It could be a normal, casual conversation just like we're having now.
Officer Macias also uses other techniques and special tools he can use if necessary, like this non-lethal 40mm launcher.
If we have a subject who is armed with some kind of weapon and is being hostile and de-escalation techniques aren't working and we need to advance forward, we use a sponge round, which causes some discomfort.
Chief of Police Mark Corey tells me getting people the help and resources they need is their first priority. As a veteran himself who served in the Army, Chief Corey said he understands the challenges associated with a veteran's mental health.
I hold veterans very close in my heart, and the experiences that our veterans have gone through, especially the last 20 years, it's very hard on them, and then they have to transition back into civilian life, and it's difficult. It's difficult for all of us that have done that.
He said he doesn't want to see our country's heroes in distress, but if they are, help is on the way. He shared this photo of an armed female veteran his officers responded to. She was having a mental health crisis, and Chief Corey said his officers handled the situation well with the training they received.
And it worked out great. We were able to de-escalate it. She listened to us, she put the firearms down, and we were able to really help her. And I actually stayed in touch with her after that, and she's done great since then.
Now, Portland PD is also offering assistance with registry for the Camo Alert. It's a service from the Texas Department of Public Safety and works just like the Amber Alert. Camo Alerts are issued for current and former military members who have gone missing and believed to be in a crisis due to an altered mental status. So to register, you can, or if you need help completing the required forms, you can contact Officer Macias at 361-777-4444.